Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Toyota Tundra windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a clean cloth, and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, park your Tundra on a level surface and turn off the engine. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This provides easy access and prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Now let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this release tab firmly. Then slide the old blade down or off the J-hook connector. Be careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back onto the glass, as this could cause damage. It's a good idea to place a thick towel on your windshield for protection. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the J-hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm. Finally, gently lower both wiper arms back onto your Tundra's windshield. Before driving, test your new wipers using the washer fluid. Observe them closely to ensure they make full contact with the glass and provide a clear, streak-free wipe across the entire surface. This simple maintenance task can significantly improve your driving visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.